Here I have LG K22, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So you will need this kind of tool to eject a SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here on this edge of your device. So what you have to do is to just put this tool inside the hole on the slot. The slot will come out, you just eject it, and here you have to put SD card, and here you have to put your SIM card, and then put it back into the device just like this. And as you can see, it requires PIN code from this SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. So let's just enter this code, and there's also notification SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is read too. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.